Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to join a Telegram group on your PC using Telegram Desktop. The process is very easy, and you can join a public group within just a few clicks. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Make sure you are already logged into your Telegram account. After Telegram opens, look at the search bar at the top left corner. Click on the search box and type the name of the group you want to join. For example, you can search for a public group such as Telegram Tips. Press Enter, and Telegram will show a list of matching groups and channels. From the search results, click on the group you want to join. When the group opens, you will see the Join Group button at the bottom or on the right side of the screen. Simply click Join Group, and you will immediately become a member of that Telegram group. If someone has shared a Telegram group invite link with you, the process is even easier. Just click the invite link. Telegram Desktop will open automatically and display the group page. Then click the Join Group button, and you will be added to the group instantly. After joining, you can read messages, download shared files, view photos and videos, and participate in group discussions if the group allows members to send messages. That's how you can join a Telegram group on PC using Telegram Desktop. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram tutorials and PC guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.